Hi, my name is Sandra, and you're watching Micro Moments. For today's video, I'll be sharing to you my experience in joining a contest here in Norway. Actually, friends, it was my first ever contest that I joined here in Norway, and my first time as well in my whole life to join a photo contest. And friends, I really love taking a photo, especially nature photos, but I didn't had a chance or didn't grab a chance to join a photo contest yet. But with this one, uh, it's like what do you call this? Someone pushes me to join this contest, so I did. Yeah. And the theme of the contest was Påske är Skien. It means Holy Week in Skien. And I'm so sorry, friends, if all of a sudden I'm talking to you in English, because I really want that all the people who will watch this post will understand. So, pagpasensyahan nyo na, friends, that for this post I'll be talking to you in English. And disclaimer, friends, my tongue isn't used to speak English, so maybe there will be a time that I'll be saying eh instead of e, or I'll be saying I'll be saying what do you call this, eh instead of e, something like that. And here in Norway, our mode of communication is in Norwegian. And here in my place, in particular, we speak Norwegian bokmål. Vi snackar ikke engelsk her. So friends, if I'll speak to you in wrong grammar, just sorry in advance for it. Okay? Just understand. Okay? I'll try my very best, friends, that you'll understand what I'll be saying. Okay? And for this video, as I told you, I'll be sharing to you my experience in joining the contest. Back to the main topic, okay? Skien Kommune sponsored a photo contest in IG and Instagram. Actually, I read, was it right? I saw the ad by Skien Kommune in Facebook, because they also have a page on Facebook, and I followed it. I saw the ads. The ad kasi isa lang in Facebook, friends. April 1, 2021, Skien Kommune posted on Facebook that they will sponsor a photo contest in Instagram with the theme Påske i Skien. And yes, I saw it on Facebook. But it was a week after they posted it that I saw it on Facebook. And fortunately, I have IG account as well, so I joined the contest. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, I was free by that time, friends. The Philippines is called Holy Thursday, Good Friday, Black Saturday, and I don't know what they call on Sundays. I forgot, friends. But a Holy Week celebration in the Philippines and here in Norway is pretty much different. Huge difference. That's, for me, it's incomparable. So, I will not try to compare it, friends, for this post, because it will be a long discussion. So we'll just talk about the contest, okay? Most of the people here in Norway, if it is Holy Week, they take time to bond with their family and eat chocolates, decorate with eggs, and yeah. It's pretty much different from the Philippines, friends. And they also take time to be with the nature. Now that it's pandemic, it's no problem with us here in Norway because here in Shein, nature is just near. Nature is just my neighbor, so it's not a problem with me to be with the nature. It's not a problem with me that there's a pandemic actually. It's like I live a normal life, friends. Something like that. It's just that we need to be for at least 2 meters away from other people if we want to go out and don't use the mask, okay? But I usually take extra mask uh, in case that I'll be going to places that I need to be at least a meter away from other people, because here there's a rule that if it is at least 2 meters outdoor, okay, outdoor, it's not necessary that you have to wear mask, okay. There's a lot of okay. Count it, friends. How many okay did I say? Okay. Okay. So I went outside on Friday, Good Friday. It was Friday afternoon. I went outside. I decided to go outside because Thursday was just here in my apartment. So I decided, oh, tomorrow I'll go out and take a photo. Actually, I just used my cell phone to take a photo, friends. I brought my ukulele because, as you know, I um I am a beginner in ukulele, beginner learner in ukulele, friends, and I love nature as well. So I decided to go outside. Actually, it was my first time, friends, to play my ukulele outside. Yes, it was my first time. And I thought that on that place that I will go, there will be no loss of passersby because uh, the place that I went was on what do you call this? Most people go on this road. Actually, can we call it a road? There's no what we call this mode of transportation there. Just what we call this walking street. Walking street, exercise street, walking street, whatever. Was just a walking street, and my setting was what they call this, not overlooking. They was it overlooking? Can we call it overlooking, friends? Most of the people go here, and I'm here, something like that. And it was beside the river, friends, and it was just a 10 minutes walk away from my place, friends. It wasn't to call this far from my place. If you are fast walker, maybe 5 minutes. But for me, because I walk slowly, leisurely, so it was 10 minutes walk. Okay. Okay. At first, friends, I seated under the tree. I tried to play my ukulele under the tree, and lots of passersby checked me out. So I was so conscious. I feel conscious, friends. Every time there are people who pass by, I feel so conscious. Yeah, and you know my personality that I am so shy, so I feel conscious. What do you call this? The place that I went, it's like a U, something like that, and I am seated here on under the tree, and I decided to go to near river setting and play my ukulele there, thinking that maybe uh passersby will not hear it anymore. was my thinking, friends. No joke. Uh, I told myself, okay, I will go there so that they will not hear me out and I will not feel conscious. And by the time that I went there, there's no wild ducks and or swans that uh, went near me, swim near me. Is it right, friends? Because there are lots of wild swans and ducks that lives in the river, friends. And by the time that I started playing my ukulele, one wild swan went swim swim nearby and was so interested in hear me play my ukulele. And I feel so amazed, thankful, blessed because by that time I already feel down because every time that I post in my YouTube channel me playing my ukulele. Yes, friends, I did it twice already. Lots of subscribers and some unsubscribed friends. So I was really sad that it was happening, and uh, I was so happy that Wild Swan wants to hear me play my ukulele. And not just that, I took a picture of us, me on the nature playing my ukulele to the swan. And that was it. I posted it as my entry and I won. I didn't won the third prize. I didn't won the second prize. But friends, I won the first prize. Yes, friends, I won the first prize. And for me, it was a blessing, a really great blessing from God, because He sent a swan to hear me play my music so that I could take a goat photo for the contest. So I was really thankful for that. It happened 3 weeks ago. 3 weeks ago or 4 weeks ago. And by the time that contest was still ongoing, I told my friends, "Oh, there are lots of good pictures. I saw nice pictures as entry, and I think I don't have a chance to win. Um, but, but, I think Saturday, 2 weeks ago, person from Shein Comuna sent me a message that I won the contest. I forgot if it was Saturday or Sunday. I was at work and I was so happy knowing about it. I told my colleagues that, oh, you know what, I won the contest, something like that. And I showed them the picture and they told me, you really deserve it, Sandra. You got a unique entry. The picture is so unique compared to other pictures. Yes, they took great photos, but the picture that you sent as entry, it was a unique one. You really deserve it. And I was so happy, friends. Monday, person from Shin Comuna told me that they will send me the prize last week. So I checked my mailbox Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. I really checked my mailbox, friends, but unfortunately, it didn't arrive yet. I was I was just so excited, friends. And yesterday, Monday, April 19, I happened not to check it because as I told you that I was sick and I am absent yesterday and today. And today, friends, it's already afternoon here in Norway. I decided to go downstairs and check my post, my mailbox. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. From Shein Kumuna. Andito na. Open natin, friends. May tao sa labas. Another smoothie. And I received this one from Shein Kumuna. This one is inside this envelope. This envelope from Shein Kumuna. From Shein Kumuna. Yes. And I will let you see what's inside this envelope, friends. Actually, I opened it up already downstairs. I was so excited that I couldn't wait to go up to my apartment. I opened it up. What's inside? Dun-dun-dun-dun. It says for fortjener det. It means because you deserve it. For because du you fortjener deserve det it. For du fortjener det. And on the back part it says Shein B. It means Shein City. Okay. From the inside, it's the card and gratulerer. Gratulerer means congratulations. It says here that you receive a gift card that you can use in most of the boutiques, most of the shops, stores, restaurants, and culture house here in Shein City. And you can use it as many times as you want and in many places where you want here in Shein. And you can use it within 1 year. And the card contains 1,500 kroner. I will share to you, friends, how much it is in Philippine pesos. I will insert a picture of it, okay? So that you will know. And isn't it nice? So I am very much thankful to Shein Kumuna and to God, of course, that I won the contest. That's all for today, friends. I hope you like what I shared to you. And so sorry for the wrong grammar. I don't want to do a take to friends, okay? I feel tired. I don't feel well, so I hope that take one is okay already. Have a nice day. Till next post. I will be doing it in Filipino again. Please don't forget to press like, subscribe, and bell buttons.